You see me I say? Like I'm say YouTube. Yeah man, we're there with Grim, YG, Mr. Anderson. I check it out and see what dog I deal with. Now we'll be vibe much longer. Let's get it.
Ooh, bad.
Easy now, Grim. Okay, the sample kind of hard now. Where you are?
Hello.
I Swiss need this? You got music like Swissly or for? Go on, Joe.
Hello. My name is Michael Anderson, and I'm calling from the publisher Clearinghouse.
Hello, Mr. Anderson.
In regards to our monthly raffle, you have been selected. Hi, Mrs. Thomas. Congratulations.
Easy now, mom. Like, yo. Easy now. Bang. Where I said, watch you.
B.O.A. GS Banka Wells Fargo. PNC. Me a jack down dopey like Palo. Bank account clean that cut.
Yeah.
Charge off a real hot just.
Yeah.
Cybercrime Elon Musk.
Yeah.
Goat blood and trick young girl.
Lazy in the building. Where I say, go on,
The
you.
car, the house, the gold banger. You better pawn everything all your husband chop. Pull up on your yard, now
Yeah.
tuxedo. Drink coffee with this color, better no gamble.
My dog say, drink coffee with his skull. I do that.
Husband chop. Pull up on your yard, now tuxedo.
Yo,
Drink coffee with this color, better no gamble. Racing.
I say, yo, pull up at the house when the house was gone. Really, man, I went to tuxedo where I drink coffee and sitting on the top business more. Got you?
25 years call on the beach.
Hold on, I'm missing. Wait, where that?
Raising next fee.
Yeah.
25 years call on the beach.
Yeah.
2.5 million in a cheap by Corvette cash USA analyst.
Okay, by Corvette cash USA analyst. Go on, Joe.
My Japanese base. I feel dolly they are feet.
Yes, mama. Yes, girl.
Killer them are on the late. We are blood clot. Means them not enough for we late.
Bang. 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 Bang.
B.O.A. GS Banka Wells Fargo. PNC. Me a jack down dopey like Palo.
Go on, sir. Hey.
Bank account clean that cut. Charge off a real hot drugs. Cybercrime Elon Musk. Goat blood and trick young girl. The car, the house.
Man say goat blood and tree cangle. Hey boy, I'm to the man of that.
Cybercrime Elon Musk. Goat blood and trick young girl. The car, the house, the gold banger. You better pawn everything all your husband chop.
Man say the car, the house, are your gold bangle. Pawn everything, mama. All the husband chucked up.
Young girl, the car, the house, the gold banger. You better pawn everything all your husband chop. Pull up on your yard, now my tuxedo. Drink coffee with this color, better no gamble. Racing next fee. 25 years call on the beach. 2.5 million in a cheap by Corvette cash USA analyst. My Japanese base. I be a dolly they are feet. Y'all sell pussy killer them are on the late. We are blood clot. Means them not enough for we late.
Bang. Bang.
B.O.A. GS Banka Wells Fargo.
Beyonce. Not down but you like Palo. Easy now. That is it. Big up your damn self. You don't know Grim YG. You see me and say? Yes man. The one that
Create spellbound.
shit, what the hell is wrong with this commercial gang? Well yeah. Grim YG. What the fuck? These goddamn commercial boy. Can't skip these motherfucker. Yeah. But anyway, Grim YG, the one named Mr. Anderson. You see me and say big bad tune. Shout out to Grim YG. Shout out to the 6th camp. You don't know what time it is. Grandma G, I do him thing. Like, love to see that. Love to see it, gang. You see me? I say, now I'll vibe much longer.
Have MI winning in the kitchen.
So I have me whining in the kitchen. Yeah, that fear go on, man. What you mean, man? Vibes turn up. That is it. That is it. Yeah, man. So shout out to Grandma G, Mr. Anderson. You see me? I say, really bad tune, guys. If you like a show the artist on love and support, make you know say you're the dancing. You see me? I say.